Hey there, I'm Jill for Cable Ties and More. Now, cable ties are a classic and indispensable item in the world of cable management, but when it comes to those large-scale tasks that could see you tighten and snip literally hundreds of ties, doing the job manually just isn't that reasonable, plus it's hard on your hands.
Particularly with stainless steel cable ties, to spend hours manually dealing with them will definitely take a toll on your fingers, palms, and wrists.
But you are going to find with our awesome product, the stainless steel tie gun, not only are your hands saved, but the task is sped up considerably. So it's really easy to use.
What you're going to do is wrap the tie to whatever you are bundling and thread it through itself as you normally would.
The gun is going to provide you with an ergonomic way to apply tension, coupled with an immediate way to snip off excess tail. So let's get started.
As you can see, there's a slit up here by the head of the piece, and I'm going to slide the tail right into it. I'll very easily begin to squeeze the arms, pushing the gun forward, and it is going to let me tighten the tie as much as I need without wearing out or cutting my fingers on the steel tie itself. Then, when your tightening is done, just lift this cutter bar and the tie will be snipped without the need for you to get different tools or even change position.
So you can see how with this tool you can tighten and clip literally hundreds of stainless steel cable ties and still have fully functional hands afterwards.
The body of the gun itself is also a durable steel, and the gripped arms will let you utilize it in full comfort.
So it will perfectly accommodate a standard stainless steel cable tie with a maximum thickness of 0.3 and a maximum width of 7.9 millimeters. Now, of course, there's a very real possibility that you're not going to be using stainless steel cable ties, but would still benefit from a tool like this that speeds up the job and saves your hands. Well, at Cable Ties and More, we have several cable tie guns for you to choose from. So regardless of the tie you're using, you will be helped considerably by the guns.
We have our economic cable gun, two models of the CTG guns, the CTG 02 and 03, and finally two Avery Dennison cable tie tools, one of which is manual and one of which is pneumatic. So, beginning with the economic gun, which has a body of durable plastic, you'll notice a tension dial and indicator here, just above the handle. Turning the dial will increase or decrease the tension that will be applied to the tie. The indicator will move between these positive and negative signs to let you know which way you're going. And once that is set, just gently squeeze the trigger, push the gun forward, and the tie will easily be tightened. And of course, a final squeeze will snip off that excess. Now, the CTG guns are a bit more heavy duty, with bodies made from coated steel. The 02 gun has arms rather than a trigger and is going to accommodate more tie sizes, allowing them to range up to 2.3 millimeters in thickness and 9.5 millimeters in width. So just insert the tie in the slot, squeeze the arms, and it will push the tie tight. This top arm will snip off your excess tail easily. The 03 model is built much like the economic gun, so you can see these CTG guns will let you select what body you find most comfortable. The trigger is gripped, and the butt of the gun has a tension dial indicator as well. This is to be used on ties with a width between 2.2 and 4.8 millimeters and a thickness of 1.6 millimeters. Finally, the Avery Dennison tools are made of lightweight cast aluminum, making them easy to handle yet durable. Taking ties between 2.5 and 4.8 millimeters wide, the manual and pneumatic models have tension indicators and non-slip adjustment knobs. And of course, the pneumatic tool will minimize labor even further.
So these cable tie guns are really indispensable when installing ties, particularly on those larger scale projects.
They're popular in industrial settings, but really will be indispensable in so many uses. So for a tool that saves you time and pain, make sure you check them out.
So thanks so much for watching. I really hope you can see how regardless of the tie you use, our cable tie guns will be up for the job. For Cable Ties and More, I'm Jill. Take care.